Hello student, today we are going to start unit number 3rd on partial differential equation of order 1. Now definition of partial differential equation is that an equation which contain one or more partial derivative is a partial differential equation. That means there are some equation in which partial derivative occur, that equation called partial differential equation. That means an equation which contain one or more partial derivative. That means there is one or more partial derivative and other is, then we can say that this is partial differential equation. Now example of partial differential equation is here x del theta by del x plus y del theta by del y plus in bracket del theta by del z whole cube is equal to 0. Here this is partial differential equation. Now theta differentiate partially with respect to x, so here del theta by del x is partial derivative. Similarly del theta by del y, that means partial derivative of theta with respect to y, so del theta by del y is also partial derivative. And similarly del theta by del z, that means theta partially differentiate with respect to z, so del theta by del z is partial derivative. So in this equation there are three partial derivative occur, so that we can say that this differential equation is partial differential equation. Now next point of our lecture is formation of partial differential equation. That means the procedure of forming a partial differential equation from a given relation is called as formation of partial differential equation. A given relation contain either arbitrary constant or arbitrary function and these are to be eliminated. That means we have to eliminate this constant or arbitrary function to form a partial differential equation. For example, the relation ax plus by plus cz is equal to 1. These are given relation, contain three arbitrary constant, that means a, b, c. These three are arbitrary constant. Similarly another relation is z is equal to f of x minus at plus g of x plus at, contain two arbitrary function, that means f and g. So in the process of formation of partial differential equation for this two equation, we have to eliminate a constant a, b and c in this relation. Similarly in this relation we have to eliminate a function f and g which is arbitrary function. You will get partial differential equation. So in this process, if we have to form a partial differential equation from this relation, the arbitrary constant a, b, c and arbitrary function f and g are to be eliminated by partial differentiation. In a given relation, if the number of arbitrary constant is equal or less than the number of independent variable, the resulting partial differential equation is of order 1. Second number, if the number of arbitrary constant is more than the number of independent variable, the partial differential equation is of second or higher order. Case number third, in case of arbitrary function, the order of partial differential equation is equal to the number of arbitrary function. Now example number first, eliminating the arbitrary constant from the following equation and obtain the partial differential equation. Now equation number first or example number first, x square plus y square plus in bracket z minus c whole bracket square is equal to r square. These are the relation which are given and we have to make it into partial differential equation. Now solution is, here the given equation is x square plus y square plus in bracket z minus c whole bracket square is equal to r square. In this equation, here arbitrary constant to be eliminated and which is c and r. Now to eliminate this we have to differentiate the given relation partially with respect to x and y we get. So similarly we differentiate this equation x square plus y square plus in bracket z minus c whole bracket square is equal to r square by partially differentiate with respect to x and similarly partially differentiate with respect to y. So after differentiating with respect to x, you will get 2x plus 2 in bracket z minus c and p is equal to 0. Here p is del z by del x. Here p is del z by del x. And similarly, if we differentiate with respect to y partially, you will get 2y plus 2 in bracket z minus c into q is equal to 0. Here q is del z by del y, or we denote q is equal to del z by del y. Similarly here we denote p is equal to del z by del x. Now solve these two equations simultaneously. You will get z minus c is equal to x by p. That means from this equation you will get minus z minus c is equal to x by p. Similarly here solve this equation, you will get minus z minus c is equal to y by q. From these two equations RHS is equal to RHS, hence LHS is equal to LHS, hence x by p is equal to y by q, and so that you can write in this way, xq is equal to p into y. So in this equation these two, that means q and p, that means del z by del y and del z by del x, these are two partial derivative occur, so that this equation is partial differential equation. Hence in this example x square plus y square plus z minus c whole bracket square is equal to r square. This is relation and we make into partial differential equation. Similarly solve other, you will get partial differential equation.